Hello everyone, I am Raju Sharma in front of you. Now today we discuss about some conceptual knowledge for the physics and how it is generally useful in our daily life. To like as a, when a person will be take a catch and he pulled their hand in inside direction, because in that time the momentum of the ball to be zero and person is never hurt. मतलब कि अगर कोई आदमी या कोई क्रिकेट का प्लेयर जब गेंद को कैच करता है तो इन कंडीशन वो अपने हाथ को या तो इनसाइड ऐसे खींचता है या तो ऐसे। तो इन दैट कंडीशन क्या होता है कि आपका जो बॉल पे जो अप्लाइड फोर्स लगा रहे हो वो फोर्स उस बॉल का मोमेंटम क्या कर देगा, ज़ीरो कर देगा, जिसकी वजह से आपको चोट नहीं लगेगी। और जैसे डेली लाइफ में और मैनी एग्जांपल ऑफ द फिजिक्स to like as the photoelectron. What is the photoelectron? When the high intensity ray of light is strike on the photosensitive plate to like as the solar panel, because it will be followed to the black body radiation. The high intensity ray of light is strike on the photosensitive plate, then is ejected of the electron in the presence of sunlight, that is known as photoelectron, and the process is known as photoelectric emission. But how will we prove that the light is electromagnetic? We can be proved that easily the light is the electromagnetic wave, because when the sunlight to be passes through from the vacuum to the different medium to like as the rarer medium air, and afterward the ray of light to be entered in glass slab and the water, we observe that the experimentally we take any glass that will be filled with the water, and afterward a inverted stick is stand into the glass. We observe that from the outside of the glass, we observe that the stick is like as some bend. That is the process of the refraction of light, because when the ray of light is entered from the rarer medium to the denser medium and water, then the speed of light will be decreased and angle of refraction is less than the angle of incident, then person to be feel like as the stick is a bend. That is also the phenomenon of the light, that is the refraction of light, and the electromagnetic wave that is followed to the process that will be developed in the vacuum, and it will be also developed in medium. Another word we can say that electromagnetic wave, that is the follow the process of electric, magnetic and wave. We know that when the high intensity ray of light is strike on the photosensitive plate, then body to be ejected the photoelectrons and current to be developed in the device of the solar panel, that is the behavior of electric arc current. We know that if the electric current is developed in any device and afterward it will be behave as the electromagnet, so therefore it is also followed to the property of magnet. And we know that the light is come on the space because there are the no medium and the disturbance going forward direction, it will be decided to light is the electromagnetic wave. Another important application in our daily life, like as the torque movement. What is the torque? When the external force applied at any object is moved around their own axis. In our daily life, many examples of the torque, like as the bottle cap. When bottle is closed, then the direction will be clockwise, and the bottle cap will be open, then direction of anti-clockwise. In our houses, we are also used to the tap. Okay? We use the tap for the water. When the tap will be closed, then the direction to be moved in clockwise. If the tap is open, then direction will be anti-clockwise. That is the great example of the torque moment. Another example to like as the pressure or the center of gravity. When the person will be write anything on the paper with help of pen, we observe that in that point the center of gravity is function between our fingers to like it. And when we applied the pressure, that was the area in comparison of whole part is the minimum, then the pressure is function at the body and it will be write anything on the paper. That is also example of the center of gravity and how will be pressure is function at your body. That was the different types of the application in useful in our daily life. When any swimmer to be jump into the pond or then it will be bend their body in air, because in that time the moment of inertia of body is decreased and the angular momentum is increased. To like as any gymnast or ballet dancer to move at their ankle, then the angular momentum to be increased and the moment of inertia is decreased. In our daily life, many example of the physics is also applicable in this term. When any cricket player to like as the bowler to be swing the ball, spin the ball, that is also the phenomena of the Magnus effect. To like as when any spinner bowler to deliver the ball in air, that is called a loft. Then it will be throw the ball in air in the maximum time and it will be covered the range, because in presence of the applied air friction, that is the function on the body, and ball to be delivered in the leg spin in form of half spin. But the new word is reverse swing. What is the reverse swing? Reverse swing, that is also example of the physics and it will be application of the Magnus effect. We observe that in the cricket ground, when the ball to be go in the direction of player and every player to be take the ball and to like as the rub on their lower or the bands, then afterward and it will be also used on the switch. When signed to the ball in another end, by and by, when the over to be decrease or increase in the terms, then afterward the weight of ball to be changed. After 30 over or 35 over, then ball to be moved in reverse swing. What is the reverse swing? That is also application of the Magnus effect. How will we ball the reverse swing? When the person will be take the ball to like as that was the four piece ball or 2 piece ball. That was generally two condition of cricket. If the 4 piece ball, when the person to be take a ball to like as at a सीम पे ऐसे आप बॉल रखोगे, ठीक है, तो अगर गेंद आउट स्विंग फेंकनी है तो शोल्डर जो है ये कंडीशन में बाहर से आएगा, तो एक्शन तो आपका आउट स्विंग हो रहा है, लेकिन गेंद क्या होगी, रिवर्स स्विंग होने की वजह से क्या होता है बेटा कि उसका जो वेट होगा एक तरफ भारी, टोटल बॉल 250 ग्राम की, एंड आफ्टरवर्ड दैट विल बी चेंज टू द कलर when the person to be hit the maximum time of the ball to like as beating up, then it will be change their color, and afterward one side weight of the ball to be increased in comparison of another side. If the one side weight is 125 gram and another side weight is 120 gram, then ball to be moved in direction of 125 gram. That is also behave as the process of reverse swing. It is application of the Magnus effect and it is also called the principle of the system to how will be delivered a ball with help of physics. If the person will be play the football in the different condition, that is the example of the parabolic path and the projectile motion. To like as when we apply the force on ball to like as kick the ball, and ball to be covered the maximum range, maximum distance, maximum height, that will be example of the parabola or parabolic path. It is also example of the Newton's second law conservation of moment. When the person to be applied a force with help of feet on the ball, then ball to be covered at some distance because the momentum of the ball to be changed. In that condition, when the ball is rest, when person is applied the force and ball to be accelerate, and it will be also followed to the path of parabola. And we applied the maximum effort, then ball to be covered a maximum range. If theta is 45 from the ground level, then ball to be covered the maximum. If theta is 90, then ball to be perpendicular in our above to our head. That is the application of the physics. Okay, now we meet to in our another video. Until then, goodbye.